In this video, I will show you how to use Grok 3 Voice to have interactive voice conversations with the AI. Let's get started. I begin by opening a new browser tab and clicking on the Google search bar. I type in Grok and hit enter. The search results appear, and I click on the top link for grok.com. This opens the main Grok interface. To start using the voice feature, I move my cursor over to the microphone icon located on the right side of the main query field and click it. A recording panel opens inside the input bar, showing that the system is listening. I state a prompt out loud. Let's have a natural conversation. Respond casually, keep the reply short, and chat with me like we're friends talking in person. I click the checkmark button next to the voice indicator to process my speech. Grok processes the audio input for about a second, transcribes my text into the chat window, and then automatically runs the query. The AI generates a text response, and its system audio begins speaking the response aloud. Hey. Sounds good, I'm all in. What's on your mind today? Below the message, a player menu appears showing the active voice profile, along with options to pause or adjust settings. Next, I click the voice input icon once again to reply. This time, I say, my mental is sad right now. I click the checkmark to submit the phrase. The chat interface refreshes to show my new statement. Grok takes a brief moment to analyze the input and generates its next friend-like supportive response. To hear it played back with a different narrator profile, I hover over the three-dot options menu under the response panel and select Read Aloud. This opens the speech player at the bottom of the screen. I click on the voice selection menu, which currently shows Era, and click the option to swap it to a different profile, choosing Leo. The system immediately updates and the audio plays back seamlessly using the new voice selection. To continue the voice interaction, I click the microphone button one more time. I provide a fresh storytelling prompt. Last time at the grocery store, I thought that was my mom. But it turns out it's not. And I gave her my basket. I click the checkmark to finish. The message registers in the conversation window and Grok quickly crafts a highly relatable and humorous response about classic mix-ups. To listen to the generated text, I navigate back to the message options, click the three-dot menu, and select Read Aloud.
Haha, alright, one quick one. Last week, I helped this guy who wanted to build a time machine out of his fridge. We ended up with a working beer cooler that plays 80s music instead. Total win. Your turn. What kind of story vibe you feeling? Funny fail, adventure, or something else?
If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.